How to work with revision history in Google Docs. Google Docs automatically saves the version of your document as you edit them productively. Expert will show you how to find and restore older version and share the other advanced tip for working with Google Office Sheet. One advantage of using Google Docs in that it always saves your work automatically. Another in that Google keeps a history of all the changes you make to a document since you have access to your version history in Google Docs. You can restore an older version of a file or make a copy of an earlier version and spin it off into a different project. Note that you can only see and review early version of file of if you have adding premium. If someone share a file with you and give you read only permission, you would not be able to see its history. Note to that the business version of Google Docs is called the site. These tips would work for other version. You can see a list of the revision history for any Google Docs in three ways. From the menu, choose file version history. See version history. Use the window shortcut or command option shift plus H on because click on the group of underlined word just to the right of the help menu. These words change depending on the file state. When you are actively working on a document, it reads saving and that's the only time you cannot click on it. Otherwise, it says all challenge saved in drive or last edit was made on followed by the date. Click either of these and your version history appears. A list of your document history appear in a new column on the right. Individual version or under a header for each date. Expand any one of them to see more. In the change to return to the current version, click the back arrow at the top left of the window. Be aware of that you may not have a perfect history. However, as Google states in its that revision for your file may be merit to save storage space. Once you have access to your version history of a Google Doc, you can restore any version from the list of versions that appear on the right. Simply click on the file you want to open it. A large blue button appears at the top of the window that says restore this version. If you restore the selected version, you still keep all the other version, even those that were created after the currently selected one. In addition to restoring an old version of a file, you can make a copy of it. Making a copy allows you to quickly spin out a different version of the same file. For example, it's a great trick when applying for job and you want to make each resume and cover letter unique, but you do not want to start from secret every time. To make a copy, open your file history, choose the one you want, click the icon of three stacked dots and select make a copy. Know that you know how to find your revision history in Google Docs. You can get more out of it by name different version. By naming them, you can easily identify the version that you might want to restore later or spin out of another purpose. If you do not rename them, the default name will be the time and date step. You can rename them by using one of these methods. Open your version history, click the icon with three dots and select this version from the menu. Choose file version history, name current version.